Hey guys, showing you this ice cube trays. The small ice cube trays with a 3 pack is a 152 circles and a squares with a lid and bin. So it comes in a really nice storage box. So you can see this is a plastic box that all these things comes back, and this also have this scoop and the trays. The yeah, all the accessories here. These are the silicons. It's for the covering of this square ones. So there are like 15 pieces square ones, 104 pieces small ones like the small circles, and 33 pieces of the big circles. So as you can see, this is a really nice design, solid plates, and yeah, so the total 3 plates. So durable material, and of course it can withstand the cold temperature because it's ice tray. So I'm putting in water, so properly sealing it so the water will not come out, and you can see it here. So these are the circles. I'm just putting in the water, just close it on the top, and then it will adjust in the size. You can just wipe off the extra liquid. So it's all frozen. I'm just taking out all these ice cubes and show you how this work. I really feel nice. You can see like it's all tightly packed, everything is all cubed, and this is nearly like ice cubes that comes from it. Just I'm just trying to put 1 or 2 pieces here just to show. um, Kids also excited to see all these ice cubes. So this one is nice, and these small ones you can see like the small balls. So I will just take it out, and once I will take this out, you can see all these small balls are here as well, spherical balls, and these are the big ones. So yep, just take this out, and yep, so it's there, and really nice size and shapes. So it's pretty much easy, and yep, it's fun, and you can use them in the drinks. You can see the balls. So basically it's a nice ice cubes and the ice sphericals that can be used, and pretty much good. And you can just wash these trays and then use that again. So nice ice.